Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for southeastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware, including like Reading, Allentown, Philadelphia, down towards Cape May and Dover and all. So let's get on with it here. Okay, just so you have an idea of what areas we're looking at here. Here's Reading out here, Allentown. Here's Philadelphia, Atlantic City, Cape May, down here towards Dover. You can see where all the cities are basically at. So that'll give you an idea where to look for your weather. Now, this is let's see, let's get to the temperatures. You can see today they were pretty warm. This is around 6 o'clock. Temperatures in Delaware, and Jersey, and Philadelphia, all in the upper 50s. Elsewhere, it's in the lower to mid 50s. So it's been a pretty decent day temperature wise. As we go through the nighttime hours, this gets you to 8 o'clock. Temperatures have dropped back into 40s and 50s. You kind of lose that sun now that it's starting to get warm. As we move this to around midnight, most of this area is in the lower 40s. There's a few spots that could be into the 30s, maybe out here towards Williamsport, but that would be about it. But it'll start to warm up towards the morning hours. Now this is 7 o'clock, and you can see temperatures are warming up. Temperatures are already at 7 a.m. on Wednesday are into the 50s in Delaware and Jersey, and they're getting up into the upper 40s in Pennsylvania. Just to the north up here, where the higher elevations are at, temperatures are still pretty chilly, but that'll be going away. As we get to around 10 in the morning, here come the 50s back again. And just in the Poconos here where the temperatures don't get that warm. But here is around noon. This is around noontime. Upper 50s are going on. We still don't have any precipitation yet. This is around 2 o'clock. And now you can see the temperatures have tailed off a little bit. And that's because we've got some clouds and we've got some showers moving in. And now you have these showers coming in from the west. Some of them will pack a punch. You can see here, it's just around, this is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. It's just getting to Philadelphia, Jersey. You're just on the edge of it here. And then as it starts to move in, here's 5 o'clock, and you can see so these reds here, some heavier showers, could even be some thunderstorms late in the afternoon as these things come through. And you can see anywhere we see yellows and reds, a thunderstorm could pop up in those areas. And this takes you to around 8 o'clock at night, and you can see here it's pretty much North Jersey down through Allentown, heading down towards Philly and down towards South Jersey here. You can see the heavier precip. And then behind it, it actually gets spotty, but it actually does bubble up a little bit because the cold front is still to the west. This is around 11 o'clock, and you can see the simulator radar is showing in central Jersey here there could be a pretty good storm. But as you can see, these things are all popping up all over the place here. So don't panic if you hear a little thunder. But then things will begin to move out as we get to around 3 o'clock on Thursday morning, and then they'll go off, and then you're left with another part of a front coming through here. This is what's left of it Thursday around 10 o'clock in the morning. There's some showers and even some flurries up into the Poconos. Wind, now these are gusty winds. This is not sustained, 30s and 40 mile an hour wind gusts in the morning on Wednesday around 10, but they'll pick up in the afternoon. Here's around 2 o'clock. You can start to see some of these yellows down here where they're getting to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. And you need to be aware of that, especially down in Delaware and along the shore down here in Jersey. You get that off the ocean and the winds are out of the south, so there'll be some strong gusty winds. You can see this here now. This is 8 o'clock Thursday evening. The front hasn't come through yet, so the winds have pushed up towards Philadelphia and up towards Trenton in the 50s. And then down here towards Cape May, temperature wind gusts could be into the mid 50s. And then, boy, they just kind of burst up here around 9 o'clock. These are 60 mile an hour wind gusts just offshore. But then they'll get pushed away. And then you can see that the closest they get is around 11 o'clock Wednesday night when they're right on the shoreline here. It'd be pretty gusty if you're out along the waterfront there. And then they kind of shift to the north a little bit around midnight on Wednesday night into Thursday. But you can see the back edge of it here, and then eventually this will all get pushed out, and that'll be it. If you're wondering how much precip we get, depending on where thunderstorms line up. There's more thunderstorms to the north up here, but if a thunderstorm comes through, you can get over an inch. Elsewhere, it's probably a half an inch to three-quarters of an inch of rain that we get out of this system. All right, everybody, take care.